Didn't unmute.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
We just need Ms. Schalk. Do you have any chances you can unmute there, or are you by yourself? You're by yourself. Okay. Is there is it a computer or a TV? All right, we got to figure out how to unmute you because we were getting feedback. So we had the volume on that side was kind of high, so it was causing us to get some reverberation. So now, unfortunately, we fixed one problem, created another one. You don't have to worry. It's the only thing we got going on. So we will wait. There we go. I think you got it.
Thank you.
We're on the record, the People's State of Michigan versus Angela Schalk, file 20-0261 FY. Lawyers, please identify yourselves for the record.
Sarah Baumann on behalf of the people.
Leland Burton for Angela Schalk.
Today's time and date set for an arraignment. In this case, Mr. Burton, did you have a chance to meet with your client?
Yes, Your Honor. She'll take responsibility for not being here. Just to inform the court, she's under sentence in Saginaw County for 180 days already.
Do you know when the end date would be?
I'm not sure, actually.
So she'll acknowledge she didn't appear for the probable cause conference, which is the reason for the contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
What are we going to do about the probable cause conference then? Is she ready to, does she wish to have a preliminary examination?
Well, I do have an offer that I got from Ms. Baumann today, but I'd like some time. I would like a second PCC so I can see if I can get something accomplished. We're not going to be holding a preliminary examination. I don't think. I don't see me recommending it, but there's an opportunity for me to get the, for instance, retail fraud second, which creates a 1-year cap. I'd like to try to do that. Right now, I have that.
So it looks like the arraignment was for the contempt of court, and she's sitting in jail in Saginaw County, and she'll be, so Ms. Schalk, if we set this for 2, because we got you muted again, we're getting a lot of feedback when I speak on your end, so I'll have you do it by head shake. If we set this out for 1 week, approximately 1 week from today, will you still be in the Saginaw County Jail as far as you know? Okay. So Katrina, I know that sometimes it's not that easy to get Saginaw ready to go, but is there a way we could try to set this for 1 week out?
I will contact them immediately following this hearing.
All right. So what we're going to do,
Plan the 1
Ms.
o'clock.
Schalk, if everything goes according to Mr. Burton's plan, you would be entering a guilty plea to a misdemeanor if he's able to get that offer in front of me. So the next time we speak with one another, one of 2 things will happen. We'll either waive the case to circuit court because he wasn't able to get the offer and needs to negotiate further, or you'll enter a plea to a misdemeanor. And at that point in time, we probably will proceed to sentencing because you're sitting in Saginaw County for quite a period of time. So it doesn't make sense to hold the case out too long for sentencing. You get out in August 3rd, August 3rd. Okay. So we should be able to work with that. We still have you muted, so I'm reading, 3rd of August. Okay. We're still able to communicate. We just, when we unmute you, we get a lot of reverberation. So we want to make sure we had a clean record. All right. Is there anything else? I'm going to lift the bench warrant. We'll set this for PCC/plea, but we'll just call it a probable cause conference. And then next week, we'll know the answer to the question. Would that be all right, Mr. Burton?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay,
Then-
Your Honor.
Yes.
So I'm clear, we'll lift the bench warrant and set this for a second PCC on July 6th at 1 o'clock.
Yes, it's a little longer, but it probably allows you enough time. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Did you want it on the 30th? I'm sorry. I can put it on.
Well, no, it doesn't matter. She's gonna be there till August 3rd. We just need to make sure that we don't, that'll give Mr. Burton a little more time to try to negotiate for the plea. So let's do it July 6th.
That would be fantastic. Thank you.
We'll be adjourned. It was nice seeing you, Ms. Schock. We didn't get to hear too much from you today, but we'll get this fixed next time. Thank you. We're adjourned.
Thank you.